Hi, this is Dr. Gary. Welcome to the Daily Tune-Up today. Let's talk about what's going on with you today. You know, we all have stuff going on. One of the things I want you to be aware of is when I talk about getting along with people, when I talk about using our communication style, when I talk about if you're not getting along with someone, you can do certain things. I want to be very clear that I'm not saying anything's wrong with you or that other person. In fact, probably everything's right. The only thing is we all communicate in different styles. And I am wanting to make a point that if you want to get along with people, you can probably get along a lot better if you pay attention to their communication styles. And being a specialist at neurolinguistic programming, there's something that you can Google if you want to find out more about it. We're going to be doing a Mind Talk program very shortly on it. It's called Visual Auditory Kinesthetic Communication. You can Google NLP and the primary representation systems, and there's a lot of information on this. In my private practice here, this is one of the first things I do to help a couple start communicating. I know sometimes it does seem like a lot of work, or do you really want to spend the time to learn this? Well, that's up to you. Let's put it this way. You can continue to do the same thing over and over again, getting the same result, and nothing else is going to change. Or you can decide to step outside your comfort zone once in a while, practice some of these things and learn them, and you're going to find life's going to be smoother. Getting along is not easy. We're all different. We all have a right to be here, and we're all very, very good in our heart most of the time. When we fight, when we argue, it's not because something's wrong with that other person or there's something wrong with us. It's that we're not communicating using the same language. All I'm saying is there is an option. It's called the Visual Auditory Kinesthetic Communication Package from NLP. And if you want to have more information on that, watch the tune-ups. Continue to watch them because I talk about them here. Watch Mind Talk, broadcasted every Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Pacific time on the internet, right here on this channel. And also Google NLP, Primary Representation Systems, and you will be amazed if you practice those principles, the difference it can make in your life. However, if you say it's too much work or I really don't care, then you got to look inside. It might not be that other person at all. It might be your attitude. So until tomorrow, this is Dr. Gary wishing you an extraordinary communicative day. Until tomorrow, bye-bye.